Hello everyone. I think everybody will be fine, and this time everybody stay at home and save your life because you know that coronavirus is spreading all over the world, not only in India, because it is a natural disaster. And so take care of your family and your life also. This is Abdul Samim. Here I am telling about what is the importance of English in your life. If you want to do something big, something achieve big in your life, then first concentrate in your work, whatever you do. For getting success, you have to become self-aware and self-disciplined. And I think there is a very importance of English because if you go out of India, out of a state like South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and any other place, then you have to see that English is very essential. If you go in the field of banking, railway, engineering, and any kind of competitive exam, then you have to see that everywhere English is need. And I think very big company looking for those people who's having the knowledge of English and knowledge of computer because nowadays this is the time of technology and this is the time of science. So English and computer and any other things is very need for youth. If you want to get success, if you want to do achieve your dreams in your life, so you concentrate and you know what is the importance of time. So everybody, you learn English and you do something in your life. I will give you what is the tips to improve your communication skill and conversation classes. This is first one is that pronunciation here, and next grammar classes, tips to improve your English communication, temper skill and listening skill, and next conversation and group discussion also, and next vocabulary, and then stage presentation. You speak something about anything in any field, in any topic, and last one is that personality development classes. You speak something in front of anyone. So English is very good for your personality. So you learn English, and if you go south, Kerala, Karnataka, then you see that a small child speak English fluently, and Araxopolar vegetable vendors speak English fluently, and they manage the customer in English. So you do extra and you learn extra, and don't forget a channel and subscribes also. Thank you.